Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add regional settings on the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, enter your PIN number or use your Touch ID in order to unlock the app. Click on the settings button down below and then scroll down to the personal section and tap on regional settings, which is the fourth option. So here you can set your weight unit, then your temperature unit, first day of week, and the time format should be set. So everything will be saved automatically. Just tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen to go back to the previous section. If you would like to change it, just come back to this section anytime and change the units and units of measurement. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.